We are supporting our priority economic sectors in eThekwini. The manufacturing sector in eThekwini is a very uh, important sector. It is contributing a lot to our GDP growth and job creation. And then today we are here at the manufacturing Indaba, trying to showcase and present, the capabilities of our manufacturing industry.
We were invited by Trade and Investment KwaZulu-Natal to be part of the manufacturing Indaba. It's something that we're very interested in because we're going to get an opportunity to expose our business, get more clients, and actually get to export our brand and our product to other African continents.
Attending manufacturing Indaba, this is a good platform where we can get an assistant from departments like CEDA, CIFA, KZN Growth Fund, and then we can get more information how we can apply for a loan, financial assistance.
We are having a conference in terms of how we can continue supporting the manufacturing industry to make it, a great industry moving forward.